Welcome to the Cabinets to Go warehouse. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a 2-drawer base cabinet. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have all your tools together. What you're going to need is a knife, a flathead screwdriver, a drill with a Phillips head bit, and a rubber mallet. Now that you have all your tools together, let's go ahead and grab the knife and open up this box. We recommend that when you're pulling the pieces out of the box that you lay them on a soft blanket. If you don't have one available, the cardboard packaging should work just as well. Line up the dovetail joints of the back drawer piece with the dovetails of a side drawer piece, ensuring the dado joints run in line from one piece to the next. Using a rubber mallet, evenly hammer the dovetail joints together and then repeat this process for the other side drawer piece. Slide the bottom drawer panel into the dado joints of the side pieces all the way until it locks into the joint on the back drawer piece. Line up the front drawer piece with the remaining dovetails of the side drawer pieces. Using a rubber mallet, hammer the front drawer piece evenly into the dovetails of the side drawer pieces until the dovetails fit snugly. Then secure it together with your medium Phillips head screws. Line up the pre-drilled holes in the front drawer piece with the pre-drilled holes on the back of the drawer face. Attach them together with the included black Phillips head screws. Start with the cabinet face frame face down on a piece of cardboard, towel, or other surface that will not scratch or dent the cabinet face. Drop the left and right side panels into the dado joints on either side of the face frame and lock them into place with a half turn on each of the cam locks. Slide the bottom panel of the cabinet into the dado joints on the side panels all the way until it locks into the joint on the face frame. Prepare the back panel by attaching the drawer glide supports to the pre-drilled locations on the back panel. Use 2 small Phillips head screws to secure each drawer glide support. Next, attach the back panel by lining up the dado joint with the bottom panel of the cabinet. Once everything is lined up, secure the back panel with a half turn on each cam lock. Attach the toe kick to the front of the cabinet with a half turn on both cam locks. Line up the drawer glides so they are parallel to the side panels and flush with the face frame. Once each glide is in place, secure them with one screw per glide on the face frame. Slowly lower the drawer box onto the glides, ensuring the hooks are tight to the back of the drawer box. Line up the pins at the front of the glide with the holes of the bottom of the drawer box. Close the drawer to ensure the glides are attached correctly. And there you have your fully assembled 2-drawer base cabinet ready to go in your kitchen. If you have any questions, please contact our customer care team at 1-800-CABINETS, or you can go online at cabinetstogo.com/helpme.